Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is my second vid. I know nobody's gonna watch it, because everybody hates me. Anyway, we're gonna go to my den. This is where we had our first video. Can you see? Yeah. So, today, I'm gonna talk to you. So there are two girls that I have as friends. One girl is me and my stepsis's friend, and then the other girl is my stepsis's and her friend. I don't know. And stepsis friend is being rude to me. And then my friend is like, you know, blaming me for being rude to her. I was never rude to her, like, literally. I was never, ever rude. But, like, anyway, it's just hard, dude. Oh, yeah, I'm not moving, sorry. Okay. So, dang, it's hard. I don't know what to say. Like, I tried to talk to her, but she was like, I can't talk. Like, got to go. And it's so hard. Anyway, we gotta say thanks to my stepsis, cause she's been helping me with this recording stuff. Subscribe to her. Her name's Gamer Girl. I said that last vid. Actually, I said don't subscribe, but she's not here at the moment. I think she's at her friend's house or something. So, you know, she's not playing Animal Jam with me. So, yeah. I think that's it. So, yeah, I don't know what else to say. I might record tomorrow. Or maybe even 2 times tomorrow, because I'm going to be super bored. Because I have nothing to do tomorrow except sit at home. So, yeah. Totally. Yeah, bye. Have a great day. Yeah.